Hello. My name is Sarah Kaylee, and in today's lesson we will learn what some school recess activities are. To see the meanings in Spanish, grab your guide and go to the lesson page. Remember to raise your intonation every time you see bold letters. At recess, I like playing ball with my friends. Yesterday, I was jumping rope in the playground. I like running in the field during recess. After class, I enjoy chatting with my friends in the playground. We play tag during lunch. I love swinging on the swings after school. Well done! You have reached the end of the lesson. How did it seem to you? If you think you need to practice a little more, feel free to play this video again.